In GrowthWheel, we live and breathe to make business advisors the best they can be. To do that, we provide 3 products and services: a visual toolbox to help entrepreneurs make decisions and take action, a continued education program for business advisors, and a cloud-based software platform where entrepreneurs and advisors work together. The GrowthWheel toolbox contains over 100 visual one-page tools, which advisors use to have more productive conversations with clients. Everything to be discussed about business is structured in a simple and logical way and can be adapted to client companies in all life stages, all industries, and of all sizes. With the structure and the process laid out, advisors just have to add their own expertise. Now, the GrowthWheel Continued Education Program helps advisors to continuously increase their confidence level. In this program, advisors can grow from becoming a certified advisor to a certified professional, certified specialist, certified expert advisor, and eventually a certified master advisor. It starts with a 3 half-day certification course, which takes place live online on Zoom. It then continues over 3 years with quarterly workshops that takes a deep dive into all the skills required to be a trusted advisor. Lastly, GrowthWheel Online is a software platform to collaborate with clients in the cloud and track results and impact. It's much more than a CRM system because it supports the entire workflow of a business advisor. This includes onboarding a client, assessing their needs, sharing tools and information, create and follow up on 30, 60, 90-day action plans, do reporting to all stakeholders, and manage all the information in the relationship with clients over time. The software helps advisors focus on helping clients. It's designed to make advisors love their work. Learn more about how to be the best business advisor you can be at growthwheel.com.